Good morning and welcome to the vlog, my good smurfing people. How are you all doing? I'm just on my way to work, drinking with my cappuccino, ice cold on its own. I'm just on my way to work on this lovely blue day. At least it's not raining today, so that's a good thing. Yep, how's the slick?
I'm always picking up after you boys. Which way?
Needs a job, huh? Anyway, I'm at work, so I took.
Not all of us can fly.
My face. This guy comes into work saying he has got holidays and he's in a fucking Tommy Hilfiger bag. Katie, what do I do with this guy? I look at his jacket. Fuck you.
What the hell?
When you can't find a Tesco bag.
What's that? Oh my god, are you vlogging right now?
No. Why the hell is he going in the bag?
Are you going home?
Yeah.
Does anyone have a MacBook charger with them?
A what?
A MacBook charger. Bartek might have a MacBook charger. I'll need a pound. What is this?
I think I'll put it in a break too.
I've been here since 11. It's 1:30. It's fine. It's Anthony there. Anthony's had his break. Yeah, that's fine. What's it called? वो लेट था, okay? वो लेट मैं 11:30 से यहाँ पे इंतजार कर like 11:30 यहाँ से इंतजार करती वो 12 बजे आया 12 बजे और मैंने पूछ लिया तुम क्यों इतने लेट आए हो वो कह रहा है कि मुझे कुछ काम था मैं कहाँ काम था I don't know कुछ काम था अगर हम दोनों में एक बात is the same कि हम दोनों नहीं चाहते हैं कि कोई और को पता चले What did you do? You're doing it wrong!
What the hell? That was a quick. That was quick.
I need it for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, yeah? I have this microwave at home.
Okay. I have a built-in box.
Oh, funny, good for you,
I do.
Mr. Rich Guy. Tommy Hilfiger. Anyway, yeah.
That's good, Tommy Hilfiger sauce.
वो हम
Oh, that's my dried mango still there.
Martini! सही है ना? हमको नहीं चाहते, हम नहीं चाहते कि कोई और को पता चले. No, business.
Oh my days, pick your bag, Jock. Nah, I don't want to. Take a look at
My
my bag.
lunch bag.
Oh my days.
All of them, Tommy Hilfiger.
Yeah, exactly, that's what I
I couldn't
said,
find a
Tommy.
Tesco one.
Oh, I couldn't find a Tesco one, so I bought Tommy Hilfiger.
I was in there for Hugo Boss.
Oh yeah, even worse.
Okay, you get that?
हाँ?
Thank you.
कुछ नहीं हुआ, हम दोनों नहीं, मैं उस तरह की लड़की नहीं हूँ, मैं नहीं, वो अपने हाथ वो अपने हाथ को हाँ, वो उस तरफ जा रहे, मैंने रोक दिया, मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि तुम ऐसे काम करो, like तुम स्कर्ट पहने हो ना, like you're making it up, like for fuck's sake, no, that doesn't mean I want it.
Really?
Fuck off, it's so.
No, but you wanted it.
Wanted what?
That thing.
What thing?
You think I don't hear Afghan?
Afghan, it's not Afghan, I'm talking right now, so it's cool.
No, like, what do they call it? Whatever it is, I hear it a little bit. I hear other languages.
Anyway,
Be like that.
it's fine, don't worry.
Finally, we got water.
Oh shit.
Houston, we have a problem.
एक घंटे साथ में थे और you know the usual.
The bullhead exam on your instant exam.
Oh my days, it's not able to be back.
Of course.
Last year, okay?
Inshallah. वो भी मुसलमान है.
हाँ, आपने बता.
मैंने नहीं पता. मैंने सोचा वो मुसलमान नहीं है. मगर वो कह रहा हाँ मैं हूँ. ओके. हमारे पिता वो दोनों एक ही काम कर रहे हैं. मेरी काम. और वो कह रहा है कि तुम्हारे घर में रियाज है. नो, मेरे घर में हमेशा एक है, एक बंदे तो है. वो कह रहा है तो कभी मेरे घर में कोई नहीं है, तुम आ सकते हो. मैं उस तरह की लड़की नहीं हूँ कि मैं वो सब काम जो तुम चाहते हो मैं वो नहीं करूँगी. और वो कह रहा है मैं नहीं चाहती कि तुम like he's like saying मैं तुमको रश नहीं करना चाहती. So but how do you say slowly? थोड़ी थोड़ी सी.
Sorry.
Yeah, थोड़ी थोड़ी मत.
Holy.
हले. थोड़ी मैंने उसको पसंद you know करती हूँ. And it takes half an hour if you want to do it. You can have your food first and then you can do it. Because you've got nothing else.
Half an hour?
40 minutes.
Why? Why much time?
It's not that. Me using the laptop.
Oh, it's your thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not you put it there.
I know.
Test the finest, mate.
Oh yeah. Tommy Hilfiger.
You like Tommy, yeah?
He loves Tommy. He goes to fucking what's it called? Ashford to go to Tommy every week.
Not every week. Once a month.
Nah man, every week.
Once every 2 weeks.
Once a month. I can't, I'm already working now.
But for me, Tommy's a bit old fashioned.
What are you?
I like the
Different
retro
from
style.
ours.
Astaghfirullah, Martini. You're Muslim. You're supposed to be setting an example for me. What do you do?
Shut the fuck up. You missed out. What is some noise on people?
Oh, I hate that. I just like cutting it and then like. I'm gonna fill out your anonymity code for you because you don't. Oh, actually, you can do it because you're the same anyway. You're undergraduate, so you can do it without. Your information sheet.
How many people on it?
8.
8?
Guess how many I need? 40. Guess when this is due?
Tomorrow.
April 18th.
Oh dear.
Is it hot?
What?
Good. Yeah, it's 3-hour shift yesterday. From 11 to 2. Technically. Yeah.
Why that?
Because I have to go to Stansted, innit?
He's only covering better anyway. I want to get a Coke from McDonald's.
I have a Coke in my car.
No, McDonald's Coke.
That's from McDonald's. But it's in my car. I'll probably walk to go get it.
Did you sell anything yesterday?
Not really. Yeah, like with a few washing machines and stuff like that. I was covering that, I know.
Very careful.
But I'm covering, yeah. I'm covering, yeah. I'm covering Mitten on Thursday, 4 to 8. And I'm doing my normal shift 4 to 8 on Friday. And then I'm off Saturday and Sunday.
How can you go missing from work like that?
I know how to count bills. I know how to do customer services. I'm good. I'm a 2 years. Fuck off. My Timmy. Timmy. Their meat stinks though. Dunno. No. Look at fucking spaghetti bolognese on my fucking mat!
Look at my mum.
Oh wow. Cricket. Great.
Yeah, it's all great.
Oh my god, great. Your Swansea shirt's probably worth more than that. How is your Swansea shirt? Do you wear it?
Well, hang it up.
Do you not wear it?
Why would I wear it like medium size? I look like a medium.
My dissertation, I've only done 953 words.
Oh.
Was it the dissertation on?
Psychology.
Or what?
Of what?
I'm not supposed to tell you because you're going to get
What
the
the hell am I-
idea. Because you have to do the experiment.
Okay.
Then I can tell you. You're spitting or I'm spitting?
I'm spitting everything. And what's it called? Okay, good luck.
Ska vi göra så här först nej?
Nej,
Ja?
fast då får jag ha hash. Konsekvent fast.
Okej. Ahash?
Ja.
Aha? Vad du säger?
Aha, konsekvent.
Aha.
Ja.
Jehike.
Lite.
Super.
Ducky. duckies. Hey, quack, quack. Now people, don't try to do this. Try and feed the duck the bread at the duck's end. Quack, quack. Yeah, little me. Quack, quack. Here, catch. Ah. Yeah. Fuck off. Bye bye. Quack, quack. Ducky.